So today we're back at Vineyard Vineyards, and it's February. It's still pretty cold up here in the mountains. Today we're putting in posts. Let's meet Eric. Hey Eric.
Hey Mark, good to see you
Good
again.
to see you. So what are we going to do today?
We're going to install some posts in our new vineyard.
Okay, let's do it.
All right.
In the first step, Eric moves all the posts into the field. Please be careful while unpacking the posts because the posts can fall off the forklift. It is recommended to have at least 2 people present at all times when you install the vineyard posts. Please spread the posts in the field and use the flags and the wire as orientation for the posts. To recap what we saw, please have a minimum of 2 people in the vineyard at all times. Move all the posts to the field, be safe when moving and unpacking, and spread the posts in the field using the flags as orientation. Let's now talk about installing the posts.
So we made a PVC pipe that is 2 feet long from the center to the tip, and we're going to measure out 2 feet deep so we know how deep to put the post in. So you put it on the end and spray.
When we position our posts to where we're going to drive them in the ground, we put them right in front of the flag. If you were to try to sit it on top of the flag, you just have to guess exactly where the post goes. This way we can keep them in a straight line. There's lots of different ways to put your posts in the ground. A lot of people auger holes in the ground and then tamp your posts in. There's post drivers that'll hook on the back of a tractor that you can drive the post in. We're using, it's actually a plate compactor on a mini excavator, and we welded a piece of pipe that'll slip over the posts and it hammers the post down in the ground. It's one of the most efficient ways to put posts in the ground.
Where Eric is using the post driver to put the posts into the ground, Taylor is holding the post upright so that the post driver can be connected to the post. Once the post driver is connected to the post, Taylor makes sure that she stays in safe distance to the post driving process. Please check that the posts are straight. You have to check from both angles while always keeping your safe distance to the machinery. While installing the posts, you have to make sure that you have enough space for your specific machinery and that you have enough space so that workers can be in safe distance to the post driving process. Eric and Taylor work their way from the beginning to the end of the vineyard, from row to row. For the later installment of the trellis, it is important that the posts are in a straight line. To recap what we saw, the first step is to mark the posts. Center posts are usually 2 feet deep and posts 3.5. Posts are then positioned in front of the flag. Please make sure that you have always 2 people present in the field and always keep a safe distance to the machinery. Make sure the posts are straight and check that from both angles. Start on one edge at the vineyard and work your way through the other end of the vineyard. Make always sure you have enough space for machinery and personnel. So last but not least, I would like to say thank you to Eric and Taylor from Vineyard Vineyards, and to Karen from the Henderson County Extension Office, and to Emma, our research technician, without whom this video wouldn't be possible.
All right, thanks Eric.
See you in a few weeks.
See you in a few weeks. So this was it for today, and we will be back in a few weeks, and until then I hope you stay happy, kind and healthy.